SFI, delegate comrades who are representing from the different parts of our country and distinguished guests. At the outset, I, on behalf of our Tripura delegation and SFI Tripura State Committee, like to convey our revolutionary greetings to all of you, very particularly the comrades of this city for hosting this beautiful state Rajasthan. Comrades, we are broadly in agreement with the report placed by the All India Girls Committee convener, Comrade Deepshita Di, and the theme chosen for this convention, bring back the girls to the classes. Following the decision of our All India Committee, we have also constituted a girls subcommittee consisting of 43 members by conducting a state-level girls convention in 2016. The subcommittee has conducted 4 meetings. As per our decision adopted in state conference held in 2017, Girls Congress composes 30% of the state committee. But very unfortunately, the entire organizational activities of SFI along with the other democratic organizations in our state has been facing the barbaric of fascist attack from the RSS BJP since the regime changed in 2018. Even the women comrades are not also spared. Our state committee members, Comrade Monisha Ghosh, Comrade Payal Sharma, Comrade Sucharita Chakraborty, Comrade Sunandita Majumdar are physically and mentally assaulted, and some of our girls leaders reduces their activity from the organization due to the family problems.